I think it now it started snowing, frozen raining. So wait, let me see. Let's see. Let me find that out because I think so it started raining. I hear it on. Yeah, it started frozen raining. Oh my goodness, really? So tomorrow's gonna be very badly. Let me go outside. I have to get my sneaker, my shoes. Buddies! Oh my goodness, what's going on, my little buddy? It's frozen raining outside. Hey, little Lulus, what's going on? Hey, Fluffy. Hey, Carrot. What's up, Bergie? Itzy, are you cold? Come on here. Look at you. I'm gonna go outside to see how is it. It's now started frozen raining. Oh my god, really? Look at the cardinals and their bodies. They are waiting for food. Oh, my little buddies outside. Let's go outside. It's gonna get a little darker over here because I had to get my shoes. And it's cold outside. Let me get my shoes. This is gonna be cool. Getting frozen. Let's find it. I can hear it. Yesterday it was, oh god, it's cold. Yep, frozen raining. So it's gonna be horrible, horrible, horrible. Can hear that? Oh god, it's cold. Frozen raining. It's gonna be the horrible. Cannot even see it, but it's frozen. My poor plant. Still the food in there. Oh god, it's cold. Ouch, ouch. You can see the splashing. Snowballs. Frozen raining. God, I'm getting cold. I'm in the squirt. This is cool. Guys, now it's gonna get frozen. This is nothing right now. Nothing right now. Cannot see nothing, but you can hear very good. And I can hear the train too. Oh god, I'm getting cold. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I don't have a jacket. God. It's not snowing yet, but it's frozen. Stevie. I'm cold. I don't know how long it's gonna get. It's gonna be today and tomorrow. It's gonna be snow. So but right now it started at frozen. Oh my goodness. Really? I'm cold. I'm shaking. Oh god. Really? Yesterday was nice. Now it's, you can hear that. Dripping. Frozen. I'm freezing. I'm going now. Yes, buddies. Really? So we're gonna stop over here. Get it later. So today and tomorrow it's gonna start snowing. Started right now, it's frozen. Frozen raining. I'm cold. I'm really cold right now. And I don't know if tomorrow we're gonna be expected to be 2 days this raining. So right now it's frozen raining and I'm cold. I'm going in I'm done. I'll leave you with this beautiful view.